Hey y'all, welcome back to JaxX Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. Today I'm going to show you how I make my addictive crockpot queso recipe you can't resist. So the first thing we're going to do is brown up 1 pound of ground beef or ground breakfast sausage or chorizo, any kind of meat you want to brown up to put in this. I happen to be using some breakfast sausage that I got from Gopher Hill Homestead. I've used all those meats listed. You can't go wrong with any of them. And this is a very lean, somewhat lean breakfast sausage. So depending on your breakfast sausage or whatever you're using, you might want to drain it, but this will be fine for now. So we got our breakfast sausage in there. We have 1 pound of cubed Velveeta cheese going in. You don't have to cube it, but if you cube it up, it's gonna melt a lot quicker rather than leave it in just that big block. Next up, 10 ounces of Rotel. A 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapeno, or you can use fresh jalapeno. That'd be good too. Half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/2 cup of sour cream, and this is the full fat sour cream. Don't try to do the light sour cream. It's not gonna be as good. 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Lastly, we're gonna go in with 1 cup, and I'm using this Mexican blend. It's a thick cut cheese. Add that to this party as if we didn't have enough cheese. Now we're just gonna give it a slight little toss. We don't wanna mix it up too much, just kind of a light toss, get everything incorporated in here. And then as this melts up in the crock pot, we'll be able to stir it a little bit. I'm only gonna stir it that much. We'll leave it alone for now. Now we're gonna put it on low and we're gonna stir it every now and again, and we're gonna do this for 2 hours. So that was quick, that was easy, we're done. We've stirred it about every 30 minutes and we've been going about 2 hours. I just took it out. I think it's ready to go. As you can see, it's nice, thick, beautiful. I didn't add anything else. The spice I think is gonna be pretty spot on. I've kind of licked this spoon a couple of times, but I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna give it a sample. We got this plated up. Let's go in, let's dig in, let's get us a little bit of everything here. If you taste this, you'll know why it's called addictive queso. It's fantastic. You guys gotta give this a go. I say experiment with the different types of meat. Chorizo is probably one of my favorites. All right, guys, addictive crockpot queso recipe. Do it.